good day. Today in Dyana's kitchen, guys. Today I want to show you guys how to make some homemade yellow rice from scratch, guys. Let's start. Okay, this is the rice that I'm going to use. This is 2 cups of rice. And this is the coloring season that I'm going to use. All right, this is, you can use it for yellow rice, you can use it for meat, you can use it for soup, many things, guys. All right, and I'm gonna use some butter. Okay, all right, I want to make the liquid and show you. All right, I just don't throw it in my rice like that. I like to make the liquid first. And when you make the liquid, make the liquid in some, not too warm, okay? This is a tablespoon. This is 1 tablespoon of the season. I always make it in a cup. Depends on how yellow you want your rice. So I'm going to use like 2 tablespoons. If you want to use 3 tablespoons, you can go ahead. But I'm going to use 2 tablespoons. And what I normally do, I just put it down for a minute and then come back to it. Okay? Because all these lumps, I don't need these lumps in it. So I just put it down for a minute and come back to it. Okay? So I'm going to come back to it shortly. Alright, guys. So this is it. I just put it down for a minute. Alright, and here you go, guys. That's what I'm looking for. Alright, I don't need no lump in it. So right now I'm just gonna wash the rice right now. Alright, guys, I'm gonna use my rice cooker, guys. Alright, but if you not using a rice cooker, guys, and you're using a regular pot, in the regular pot, guys, this is 2 cups of rice. If you use 2 cups of rice, it's 4 cups of water. 1 cup of rice is 2 cups of water. Okay, guys? Now I'm gonna throw my mix in. There's my mix. That's my mix. Now I'm gonna pour some butter for the taste. So this is like all of this is like a stick of butter. These two is like a stick of butter. So I'm gonna use like a half a stick. But if you want to use the whole stick, is fine. I'm going to put some salt for the taste. Just be careful with the salt. I'm going to put like a half a teaspoon. So I'm going to put like half of this spoon. Okay. And what I normally do, I normally taste it. Because I'm an old school, so I normally taste it. Okay, I normally taste it. Okay, so I'm going to put some more because I need some more flavor. Okay, that's right. All right, so right now I'm going to put this on my rice cooker and let it cook. But if you're using a regular pot, the rice take about 15 to 20 minutes, okay, to cook. All right. Okay, guys, so I'm finished the rice. This is the rice, guys. Look at it, guys. This is it. This is my yellow rice, guys. Right now it's in my rice cooker. So I just washed it and set it and forget it. All right, so this is it, guys. I'm gonna dish it in a plate and show you more how it looks. All right, guys, so the rice is finished, guys. I just dished it and this is how it looks. All right, guys, you can eat this with anything your heart desire. Okay, if you have something that you want me to make, please let me know. And guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you.